Morning Saugus, I'm Addison Scott, and today is Tuesday, February 3rd.
And I'm Chase Dell. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Missing Person Day.
Today is meant to bring attention to those who are still missing and the families who continue to search for them. It's a reminder that missing people are more than headlines or statistics and that they are real individuals with stories, friends, and loved ones waiting for answers. Keeping awareness alive helps ensure that they are not forgotten.
This day encourages people to stay alert and involved in simple, meaningful ways. Sharing information online, paying attention to alerts, and recognizing faces on missing person notices can make a real difference. Awareness spreads quickly when communities work together, and every one small detail could help move a case forward.
More than anything, this day is about care and responsibility. It promotes looking out for others, having important conversations about safety, and supporting families who are going through uncertainty. A National Day of Awareness for Missing People highlights the importance of community and reminds everyone that awareness can lead to hope and ultimately reunions. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Submissions are now being accepted for the 2026 Black History Art Show. All forms of art, including paintings, drawings, photos, digital art, 2-minute or less short films, poems, dances, and music are accepted. Submissions are due February 16th. For more information, please visit the link below.
The APWA engineering scholarships for civil engineering or even public works related fields are now available for application. Those interested must visit the website listed below or see Ms. Hazek at the counseling office.
The Zonta Club of Santa Clarita Valley Young Woman in Public Affairs Award is awarding scholarships to young women ages 16 and up. To apply, visit the counseling office or visit the website seen below.
Now, let's go to Coleen Wescott with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Coleen Wescott here with this week's ASB Minute. Winter Formal Rally Week is finally here. To get everyone excited for Friday's rally, ASB has prepared some awesome spirit events. Today, I hope you're rocking some tie-dye for our 10 Things I Hate About You Spirit Day. And don't forget to come to the outdoor stage at brunch to watch our students battle it out in a color war. Tomorrow's Spirit Day is Legally Blonde themed, so come to school wearing pink and/or with your favorite stuffed animal. At brunch, watch your fellow classmates balance books on their heads to try and maintain the perfect balance. It might be the middle of winter, but on Thursday, wear some summery clothes for our Mamma Mia Spirit Day. Also on Thursday, come to the stage for a Guess the Song activity with beloved music from your favorite rom-coms. And finally, on Friday, wear your class color for our 2000s rom-com themed winter formal rally. Freshmen wear navy blue, sophomores wear white, juniors wear gray, and seniors wear Columbia blue. Underclassmen, this is your last chance to purchase tickets for the Hollywood Lights Winter Formal this Saturday, so buy now if you plan on attending. Tickets this week are $70 with an ASB card and $75 without. Need help making a poster to ask someone to Winter Formal? Well, pay ASB to do it instead. Visit the ASB office, fill out a poster request form with the information you want, and then for just $5, ASB will make it for you. In other news, ASB is having weekly drives for various organizations in SCV and beyond throughout the month of February. This week's drive is a book drive, so if you have any lightly or unused books, drop them off in the ASB office so we can give them to those in need. Next week's drive will be for pet items, but more on that later. Lastly, congratulations to Mrs. Skillman and Mrs. Reagan for winning Teacher of the Week. That's all from me. Now let's go to Megan Archusssachat with today's Saga Sports Update.
Thanks, Colleen. Good morning. I'm Megan Archusssachat with today's Saga Sports Update. Winter sport has officially come to a close, so there are no games to announce. However, any seniors with photos from game during the fall or winter seasons, or even from senior night, can be submitted to the senior slideshow by sending the photos to Instagram or the email listed below. That's all for me. Now let's go to Carter and Watson with our first edition of our new segment, Cooking with Casseroles.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Carter Watson, cooking with SMN. With this edition of Cooking with Casseroles, we will be making coffee and cream brownie casserole. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of chocolate, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the filling, you will need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of whipping cream, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of softened butter. For the glaze, you will need 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of whipping cream. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Next, melt your butter and chocolate together in the microwave. Mix well and set aside. Next, in a small bowl, beat together your eggs, sugar, and vanilla. Add in your chocolate mixture once it is slightly cooled. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together your flour and baking soda. Combine your flour mixture and your chocolate mixture. Next, add your batter into a greased casserole dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. For the filling, beat your coffee, cream, powdered sugar, and butter until light and fluffy. For the glaze, combine your chocolate chips and cream in a saucepan until the chips are melted. Once melted, let the glaze cool. After removing the brownies from the oven, let them cool and spread the filling over them. Spread your chocolate glaze on top and your brownie casserole is ready to serve. These brownies are the perfect casserole to satisfy a sweet craving. This is Ben Carden Watson reporting for SNN. Now let's go back to our anchors.
Thanks, Carden. That looks scrumptious.
For freshmen and sophomore students, there will be a winter formal February 7th. This is the last week you can buy tickets in general. Tickets are now on sale for $70 with an ASB card and $75 without. Prices will increase by $5 every week, so get your tickets now.
Seniors can find their names outside the admin building until February 6th to check if everything is spelled correctly for how they intend it to be on their high school diploma. Any discrepancies should be reported to the AP Secretary, Ms. Bundy, by Friday, February 6th.
The Jacob Zamora Foundation has a scholarship for high school seniors with a GPA between 2.5 and 3.4. For those interested, applications can be picked up in the counseling office. The applications are due through mail to the Jacob Foundation by Monday, March 9th. The free application for federal student aid priority deadline is Monday, March 2nd.
All seniors planning to attend a 4-year college, 2-year community college, or a technical or trade school should work with their parents to submit the FAFSA by the deadline. Applications can be submitted at the link listed below. That's all for today. I'm Addison Scott. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Chase Dell. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.